What is up, everybody? My name is Devin Semery, and today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Mavic mini drone. I'm pretty new to the drone community, but from research and some input from a couple buddies of mine, I was told that this is a great beginner, easy to use, and professional looking drone. I'd love to hear everyone's input on this drone if you own one or have owned one in the past, down in the comments below. And with that being said, let's get this thing opened up. Alright, so as I'm opening this thing up, the first thing I see in this box is a very beautiful carrying bag case for your drone and all of its accessories. And next I see a fairly large box, and let's get this opened up and see what's inside of that. So as I open up this fairly large box, the first thing I notice is that these are the drone 360-degree propeller guards. My very educational guess is that these help keep the propellers from getting damaged, and probably when flying indoors or around a bunch of solid objects. I can already tell that they did a very good job with the packaging, the plastic, fabric, whatever the thing it's kind of in is nice and soft, doesn't seem like it could really scratch anything up. So here's the first one that is out now, and just getting out the next one here. Boom, there it is. Yeah, so these seem really nice, seem like a very good quality. Let's get the next thing out. So the next thing that I am pulling out of the box is going to be the DJI Mavic branded carrying bag case, which looks very cool, very beautiful. I already love the quality of it as I'm opening it up. It just feels great, looks great, and yeah. So inside we have the drone, the remote controller, and the two-way charging hub. And as I pick up the drone here, it feels very good weight, very good quality. It's not like I've picked up any other drones before, but this one feels very good, and after the research and getting input on it is mainly the reason why I got this. And I also love how it just compacts and just fits right into the case. The next thing I'm pulling out here now is the two-way charging hub, which allows not one, not two, but 3 battery packs to charge, but I do believe that they charge one by one and not all at once. So the next thing that I'm pulling out here underneath the two-way charging hub is going to be a white box, which is going to have 2 of your USB cables, which is going to charge your drone, and it's going to charge the flight batteries that you put inside of the two-way charging hub. And I do want to apologize if I am not stating everything correctly or as it is. Like I said, this is my very first drone, and this is actually also my very first unboxing video. So if you're liking it right now, it'd be awesome if you guys can give me a thumbs up down there, or even hit the subscribe button, whatever you feel. But just thanks for tuning in and watching it. And also inside of this case we have a tool, a little screwdriver, which is nice, probably to switch propellers or to put the guard on. And also inside of this box we have another USB cable. So that is all that is left in this box here, so let's put that to the side. And next we're going to be pulling out our remote controller. Well, actually wait, first, no, we are going to grab our it looks like more cables. These are for hooking the controller up to your phone. So you're going to have your iPhone cable, you're going to have a universal cable for an Android, and I believe there's 2 more, but I'm not exactly sure what they would pair up to. But yeah, that is what that is. So the next thing that I pull out here, which I honestly had no idea at first, but then I kind of put my brain to the test and said, okay, I understand. These are the little knobs for the remote controller, which is nice. They just kind of screw right onto the controller. So now we are unpackaging the remote controller, which is very nice and packaged up. No scratches anywhere. At the top we have our antennas, and along the bottom is where it unfolds and your phone can connect to. Very nice feel, good weight to it, doesn't feel any bad quality at all, feels really nice. Set that down here. So underneath the remote controller we have another white box which holds the propellers in them. I'm not sure if these are the extra ones or the ones that you have to put on to the drone. I have not put mine together yet. I'm still, trying to find the time to do so, and there will be a video coming soon of the flight and putting it together and all that good stuff, so stay tuned for that. So there's nothing left in this box except for one more propeller. Put those down in the case. And let's put this box to the side since we don't need it anymore. So the next thing that I'm pulling out of the box here is going to be the instruction manuals, and something I really do not like about these manuals is that they're really small, so if you have trouble reading up close, it's probably not going to be very helpful or ideal to use. I will have a video coming up very soon of the setup and of charging and kind of all that stuff that the manual would tell you. So stay tuned for that. And the next thing I'm pulling out is another white box which holds the brick, the wall charger, plug the USB into the wall, whatever you want to call it. So lastly in this box we have the 3 flight batteries that plug right into your 2-way charging hub. And by my great demonstration, they go in like so. Yeah. And there's the 1, there's the 2, and there's the 3. And now here's a look at everything inside. DJI Mavic Mini comes in at $499.99 with this package. I believe you can buy the Mavic Mini for $399.99. Also without the extra battery packs and propeller guards, but I thought this was a way better buy for what you were getting. Thank you everyone for watching, and we will meet again in the next one.